afternoon all.
New day, new location.
Got the early morning limousine bus out of Hanoi this morning. Just arrived here after lunchtime at one of our favourites.
Yeah, you might recognise the background from the previous video.
Yeah.
Wasn't that long ago we were here?
It is the Trang and Lotus Lake Homestay. Beautiful place, and we just had to book it again on this next trip. Now, we are taking our own advice, isn't that right, Dale?
Yes. Last time we were only here a couple of days, and that's not enough time to see anything, even if you're well planned. But because we had a drone accident and lost many hours of the one and only full day that we had here to explore, it was even less time for us. So we did even less last time.
So how long are we staying for?
It's 5 nights.
5 nights. So 6 days total, including today, including our leaving day, but plenty of time.
Yeah. So we've already got a massive list of stuff to do that we made last time, and we also have some options on the map here that perhaps we didn't know about and might want to check out.
Sure. So we're gonna spend a bit of time. Well, we've got motorbikes booked for 2 o'clock, so another hour and a half until they arrive. We're just chilling out.
It may even be them over there.
Oh, could be.
Already, you never know.
We could check. Just chilling out with a refreshing beverage, have a look at the map, look at this amazing view, and prepare for this next adventure.
Let's turn around and remind them of this view.
Yeah, I don't want to look at our face, I don't want to look at the video. This is said Lotus Lake. Although, have you noticed not as many lotuses in bloom at the moment as last time we were here?
Yeah, they were way more last time.
Oh well, still beautiful.
You've got a spot across the road that you can enjoy. You've got those Instagram photo spots to the left of shot there.
Should be taking advantage of later with the drone fly-throughs if we can. Especially around sunset. And the sunset, I believe, is just around there. It comes down through where that mountain edge is.
Yeah, so you'll see, maybe not today because it's pretty overcast, but around sunset of an afternoon, there's just hordes of people that stop here, whether it's on motorbike or push bikes or whatever, and they just take this photo opportunity with these little Instagram stations and the sunset in the background over there, over the mountain.
Alright, let's get second of these drinks, Del, and get on the road shortly when we get our bikes.
Touche. Probably don't really need to spend much time doing a room tour because we stayed here last time. I am in a different bungalow to last time, and the difference with this one is that we're not sharing a bungalow because they're all twin rooms. The place was so cheap, we just got a room each, pretty much. So I'll give you a quick view around. Slightly different layout, but essentially the same. A little bit further away from the pool, but I can still see it across the pond. Let's have a look. So there you have it, team. Not a great deal of difference to the last one. Same bungalow, slightly different layout, same theme, same design. Yeah, not much different. Let's go exploring, I guess. Right now it's later in the afternoon. We've unpacked, we've got our bikes. We had a bit of a trek around, we had to get fuel in it. We had a little bit of a top up, we haven't filled them up, just a little bit of a top up, which is just up the road. We've had a bite to eat, and now we've just done a little bit of exploring. Now, if you can see the distance behind me there's these mud teepee style things. That was not here last time we were here. And I'm trying to have a look online, that looks to be something to do with Skull Island. So some old movie sets or something, perhaps. But it's a really overcast day. We're not going to get much of a cool drone shot. There's some images online of this lit up at night that must have LEDs and stuff that light up the teepee. So at some stage during the trip, maybe not today, we'll get some night shots of that.
It's just around the corner, so.
But yeah, and it's literally, yeah, like a minute drive or ride from where we're staying. So we're going to go, found a place called the Moon Pub. We're going to go check that out. I don't know if it's any good, but first time for everything. Let's go.
Spiral staircase. Very narrow spiral staircase. Yeah, watch the backpack. And the power lines there. Okay. Oh, man. How are they going to get the food up here? Oh.
Probably got the internal way.
That's probably what that is. Yeah. Yes. Ooh, that's a nice view. Be nicer if the sun was out, though, wouldn't it?
We're at the Moon Pub. Not what you would traditionally call a pub back home, but it's a pub here. We've got a rooftop terrace that we're sitting on right now, which is a big challenge to get up to. This tiny little, what do you call them, spiral staircase?
Yeah.
Like tiny. I got stuck with my backpack trying to come up. The other cool thing they got is they got this little island across the moat, creek, water, whatever you call that. They got a little island built there with like a garden terrace set up, which looks rather cozy. Festoon lightings all around. We've got lanterns above us on this top deck. Still at the sun going down point right now. A little ways off dark yet. But we're going to have a bite to eat here. Call it dinner. See you in a bit.
And with that, dinner is done.